This is a new camera, sport camera. Have a look. Does this one have a remote? Look this one, very special. Well, we have one case, waterproof case. This one, right? We open it and just have a look. This one's, you can put the microphone here. Cool. Wi-Fi. This one, Wi-Fi. And what the accessory? This one, so you can change. Okay. The microphone. And accessory. Close. Okay, this one, the frame, very cool. This one good. And the mount for the hammer. Clip. So many accessories for the bike. Okay, for motorbike or bicycle. What this? Oh, this you can put on the hand rest. Okay, mount. So many accessories. Oh my goodness. The cable for charge. Okay. And what is? Okay, anyway. So all you have in one box. Okay, you have an idea. This is just 4K. Okay, 4K sporty camera. Pretty cool, huh?